Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to block a number to avoid the person from calling you. When you have blocked a number, that person won't be able to call you. So let's get started. Firstly, go through your phone and search where there is written phone. Next you will have to choose the number you want to block. For example, I choose this number, so what I'm going to do is just press the button shaped like an eye. After that you should be able to see on the new interface a button where there is written block. They will ask you if you really want to block the number, so just press yes since you want to block the number. If you want to unblock the person whom you blocked, just press the button unblock, then the person should be unblocked instantly. Thanks for watching.